Combination vehicles. Combination vehicles. Test 1. What determines the minimum number of tie-downs for general cargo? A. Weight and length. B. Weight only. C. Length only. D. Driver preference.
The correct answer is
A. Weight and length.
explanation.
Rules are based on both cargo weight and length. When is at least one tie-down required? A. For any cargo. B. For cargo over 5 feet long. C. For hazardous materials only. D. For cargo over 1,000 pounds.
The correct answer is
A. For any cargo.
explanation.
All cargo must be secured. How many tie-downs are required for cargo 5 feet or shorter and under 1,100 pounds? A. 2. B. 1. C. None. D. 4.
The correct answer is
B. 1.
explanation.
1 tie-down is required. How many tie-downs are required for cargo longer than 10 feet? A. 4. B. 3. C. 1. D. 2.
The correct answer is
D. 2.
explanation.
2 tie-downs minimum. Which device is acceptable as a tie-down? A. Chain with WLL tag. B. Bungee cord. C. Rope rated for clothes. D. Plastic wrap.
The correct answer is
A. Chain with WLL tag.
explanation.
Tie-downs must have rated WLL. When is edge protection required? A. When cargo is fragile. B. Always. C. For logs only. D. When tie-downs contact sharp edges.
The correct answer is
D. When tie-downs contact sharp edges.
explanation.
Sharp edges can cut tie-downs. Which method is allowed for securing metal coils? A. Eye to the side. B. All listed. C. Shotgun. D. Eye to the sky.
The correct answer is
B. All listed.
explanation.
All approved methods may be used. What additional requirement applies to metal coils over 5,000 pounds? A. Blocking and bracing. B. Extra lighting. C. Escort vehicle. D. Special permit.
The correct answer is
A. Blocking and bracing.
explanation.
Blocking/bracing prevents movement. What prevents logs from rolling? A. Tarps. B. Side stakes. C. Paint markings. D. Chains only.
The correct answer is
B. Side stakes.
explanation.
Side stakes block rolling. Which cargo requires special securement rules? A. Palletized goods. B. Empty trailers. C. Clothing. D. Machinery.
The correct answer is
D. Machinery.
explanation.
Machinery has specific rules. What is required when securing heavy machinery? A. Blocking or immobilization. B. Rope only. C. At least one tie down. D. No brakes applied.
The correct answer is
A. Blocking or immobilization.
explanation.
Blocking prevents movement. What counts as a tie-down failure? A. Loose chain. B. Frayed strap. C. Broken binder. D. All listed.
The correct answer is
D. All listed.
explanation.
Any damage is failure. What is the minimum tie-down requirement for pipes on a flatbed? A. 1 per pipe. B. 2 for the load. C. Driver choice. D. 1 every 10 feet.
The correct answer is
D. 1 every 10 feet.
explanation.
Pipes follow length-based rules. What prevents pipes from shifting sideways? A. Side stakes. B. Chocks. C. Paint. D. Tarps.
The correct answer is
A. Side stakes.
explanation.
Side stakes provide lateral restraint. What happens if aggregate WLL is insufficient? A. No violation. B. Extra tarp required. C. Warning only. D. Out of service.
The correct answer is
D. Out of service.
explanation.
Vehicle can be placed OOS. Which tie-down angle is most effective? A. 45 degrees. B. Vertical. C. Any angle. D. Horizontal.
The correct answer is
A. 45 degrees.
explanation.
Angled tie-downs restrain movement. When are chains preferred over straps? A. Paper goods. B. Sharp-edged cargo. C. Light cargo. D. Furniture.
The correct answer is
B. Sharp-edged cargo.
explanation.
Chains resist cuts. How many tie-downs for a 20-foot load? A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. D. 1.
The correct answer is
A. 2.
explanation.
Minimum 2 required. What secures cargo against forward movement? A. Tarps. B. Rear tie-downs. C. Headboard. D. Side stakes.
The correct answer is
C. Headboard.
explanation.
Headboards block forward motion. What is blocking? A. Using solid objects to prevent movement. B. Using chains. C. Using tarps. D. Using straps.
The correct answer is
A. Using solid objects to prevent movement.
Explanation.
Blocking stops movement.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. Download our app and keep studying on the go. Scan the QR code to get started.